Alright, so this is the second part of the test review. The test will be calculator active, which means you can also use Desmos. So for the first problem, what is the graph of the solution? I would just put that in Desmos, and when you put it in Desmos, you will have to click down here at the keyboard in order to find the less than or equal to symbol, which is 4, and then the other equation is x plus y is greater than 3. Alright, and when you put that in Desmos, you can see that the double shaded region is at the very top. So the correct answer is A. If you're going to do this without Desmos, you would have to solve both of them for y in order to graph them. Alright, number 2, a system of inequalities is shown below. Which point is a solution? So again, I'm going to put this into Desmos. Oh, and it looks like my answers didn't print on this one. Let me see if I can pull that up real quick. Alright, sorry about that. It should have been 0, 0, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1, and negative 4, negative 4. Okay, so let me put this one in Desmos. And so I'm typing in y is less than 2x plus 1, and y is greater than 2x plus 3 minus 3. Okay, so you have this, and remember that the strategy on this is to also put your answer choices into Desmos, so parentheses 0, 0, and I can stop right there because 0, 0, it's right here, it is in the double shaded portion, so that is a solution. So A is correct. Okay. Number 3, the admission fare at a small fair is $1.50 for children and $4 for adults. On a certain day, 2,200 people enter the fair and $5,500 is collected. How many children and how many adults attend? Okay, this is a money problem. I have a money, I have a money, and I have a money. So all of those need to go in the same equation. I'm going to let children be x and adults be y. So it's $1.50 x plus 4y equals 5,050. Money. Now you only have one other number left. That's 2,200, and that is your total, 2,200 people. So you're going to have equals, and then x plus y. Okay? I'm going to type that into Desmos and see what my answer is. Alright, $1.50x plus 4y equals 50/50, and x plus y equals 1,200. Okay, I have it into Desmos. I'm going to have to zoom. These had some big numbers. Alright, there they are. Let's click right here. So the answer is 1,500 and 700. And you've got to go back and read the question. How many children and how many adults attended? Well, this one is children, so it's 1,500 children, and it's 700 adults. Okay, number 4, Sally works at a store. X represents Sally's monthly paycheck. Y represents her monthly savings. Sally will save at least $20 more than half her paycheck. Okay, at least is greater than or equal to. Okay, you got to know that. You have to know that for every math class you take. At least is greater than or equal to 20 more than, we're going to use a plus, half her paycheck. Well, what letter is paycheck? Is X paycheck or is Y paycheck? X is paycheck. So greater than or equal to 20 plus 1/2 X. So if you look at your answer choices, so it's got to be 1/2 X. So it's not that one. And it's not D. Okay. And it's got to have a greater than. So that makes it B. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 26 and their difference is 20. Find each of the numbers. All right, sum means to add. I don't know what the two numbers are, so I'm going to use X and Y. Is means equals, so equals 26. Their difference, X minus Y, is 20. Find each of the numbers. Okay. Well, you could solve this using elimination because your Y's automatically cancel. And it works out pretty easy that way. You could also put it in Desmos and get your answer. Okay. If you struggle with working out by hand, you definitely want to use Desmos. All right. I'm going to go ahead and work it out by hand because these just go ahead and cancel so easily. So I get 2x equals 46 and divide by 2. So x is 23. And then when I plug it back in, I get 23 plus y equals 26. Subtract 23, so y is 3. So my two answers are 23 and 3. All right, number 6. Shauna makes money selling bracelets and necklaces. Each bracelet sells for one price and each necklace sells for another. 10 bracelets and 16 necklaces sell for $389. 16 bracelets and 10 necklaces sell for $385. How much would it be for a bracelet and a necklace? And let me go ahead and say together. How much would it be for a bracelet and necklace together? Okay, so I'm going to let bracelets be X and necklaces be Y. So you can kind of see how this already kind of makes sense to go into an equation. 10x plus 16y equals 389. And 16x plus 10y equals 365. All right, let me put those in Desmos. All right, so when I put these in Desmos, I don't know if you can tell, but there's actually a bunch of dots on top of each other right there. That's not very clear at all. I need to zoom back out so that I can see things clearly. You want to make sure you're not clicking. That's the y-intercept. This is the x-intercept. I want the solution. The solution is where they cross. So you need to be careful that you're zooming where you have a clear picture. So 12.5, 16.5. All right. 12.5 comma 16.5. How much would it be for a bracelet and necklace together? That means I'm buying one bracelet and one necklace. So I need to add those. 12.5 plus 16.5. 28, that gives me 29. So the answer would be $29 would be my purchase price. All right, good luck on your test.